Welcome back, data analyst. After diving into Python's basic syntax and variables, let's step into the magical world of data types. Think of data types as ingredients in a recipe, just like in cooking, where you need different ingredients for different dishes. In Python, we have various data types for different data needs. Let's explore the most essentials: integers, strings, and booleans. First up, we have integers. These are the whole numbers, like the number of apples you have. Next, we have strings. Imagine strings as words or sentences, anything wrapped up in quotes.
And then there is Boolean, the simple true or false.
So, why are data types so important? Using the right data type is the key. It's like choosing the right utensil while you're cooking. You wouldn't use a spoon to chop the vegetables, right? The same goes for data types. Picking the right one makes your code efficient and error free. Now let's put this into the practice. We'll declare the variables with the different data types and see them in action. Here on the screen, you see a simple code snippet wherein I have added three variables: my integer, which has a number, my string, which is a string sentence, and my boolean, which has a boolean value true. The next line that you see is wherein we are printing the data type of each of these variables. Let's quickly run the code and see. So here it shows that the first data type is integer, the second is string, and the third is boolean. So did you see how this code helped us to identify the data type of each of these variables? A straightforward yet a very powerful way to understand your data. And that wraps up our session on Python data types. Up next, get ready to dive deeper into lists and tuples, where we'll figure out how to organize and manipulate data in more complex ways.